Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if it's been a while since you've been here, I just want to give you a special hello and a special thank you. And I really appreciate all my subscriber friends. And if you are new here, then I would ask you to consider subscribing. And today we are going to have something new, something different. Some of you may have already heard of it, but I was contacted by TIVISIY. TIVISIY is a retailer for High Park creations, and they sent me a package, and I have it right here, and I'm going to tell you all about it. I will also tell you that there are many items to choose from, and they are gorgeous. These are 3D wooden carved masterpieces, I guess you'd say. And we'll go more into that detail in just a minute after we take a look at what I picked. But you can choose all kinds of themes, all kinds of different kinds of backgrounds, different sizes, just everything. And there is going to be a code for you, and there will be a link that you can click on and you can save 15% with my code. So all of that will be down in the description, but I want to get in here and I want to tell you a little bit more about TIVISIY. They are a 3D wood carvings art products, and they are retailed by TIVISIY. TIVISIY is the retailer, and High Park is the, I guess you would say, the creators of the 3D wood carvings, and the original designs come from High Park's designers, and they purchase things from general resources. Now, it's my understanding that they use like reclaimed wood and reprocess it and make these beautiful arts that we're going to get into. So that is a little bit about the brand, and I'm going to show you what I picked out. And things kind of run in different price ranges. Some of them light up and some of them do not, but they are an exquisite design. They're a unique gift if you're looking for something, and High Park, like I mentioned, is the name of the company that produces these, and TIVISIY is their retail outlet. I hope that kind of makes sense. I know that may be a little bit confusing, but I just want to make sure you understand that. You would order these from TIVISIY. It's great gift ideas. Each product has different versions. You have lighted ones and ones that are without light. And there's even some that have sound mechanism. And these can be great for all kinds of decorating around your house, at work, special theme. In this case, we're going to see what I picked here, and you might could have a little sneaky peeky there. I have chosen this 3D piece of the Nativity set. Now, obviously, I would use this mostly at Christmas time, but my goodness, look at the detail. I want to get that really close so you can see, and I also want you to see that it has a cord because it is going to be a light up, and this cord is actually pretty long, and you can see that it has been pieced together with the, I guess, the reprocessed and claimed wood. It's got High Park on the back, and it's not too heavy, so it's lightweight, and it should just light up. And I'm going to show you how this one looks lit up. I think this one was around $39.99, and again, you can get 15% off with my code. It is a USB port, so you can get you one of those plug adapters, but I'm going to plug this into my computer, so bear with me just a minute. Now, can you see that? It's all lit up. And this is off, so you can see all the detail, and then this is lit. So, and of course, it's kind of bright in my house, so you may not be able to get as good of an idea of how it would look, but I think that's going to be beautiful lit up at night, or in a corner of your home or office that has like a little darkness, not so much light. I have so much light coming in through here. But I think that's gorgeous, and that is the first one that I picked. And inside here they have a little information card that says, "Who are we?" And I'm going to read this to you. High Park is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detailed-oriented designers and product in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to have awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals to support organizations that make the planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints that we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability and are committed to giving to nonprofit organizations to help make our planet a better place. Better planet, better life. We are on our way. And then it says, thank you for supporting Hyde Park and supporting our planet. So that is a little bit more detail, and they had that inside the box here. So, and inside there they also have something else here. Let me see what this is. It's in a little bag, and I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, okay. This is something else that I'm going to share with you guys in just a minute. So I'm going to put this off to the side because right now we are concentrating on the 3D effect, little decorative pieces. And like I said, I got this because it's so pretty and I can use it at Christmas time. So now the next box that I have in here is right here. And of course it's Hyde Park as well. And I'm going to set this one off to the side. And in this one, let's see what I chose. There's a little bit of a sneaky peek on this side, and I'm not sure what I chose. Let's see what I have here. Okay, that is their card. Oh, I remember. Oh, yeah. You know, they were talking about the wild animals. Well, this really isn't a wild animal, but it's a dragonfly. And I just thought that would be so cool. So I want y'all to see how that is made on the back. And again, it's used the reprocessed, reclaimed wood to put this together and give it the 3D effect. You can definitely tell that it is a dragonfly. So it's going to sit on your table or on your shelf like this. And then again, it's got a nice long cord. And let me plug it into my computer here. It's got a USB port again. And let's get it lit up. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now, I know a lot of you like dragonflies. I just thought the detail on this was really cool. And I'm not quite sure. I think this is how you would set it up at your home. But you can see it really lights up there. Shows all the little details in the wings of the dragonfly. And then again, it's got all this intricate detail. It's got the Hyde Park on the back. And then, of course, when it's lit up at night or in a corner of your home that's not so bright as it is in my little kitchen area here. But that is the dragonfly. So I just love it. I mean, I actually think it's put together pretty good. And it's lightweight, and it's just going to sit down on your table. So, I mean, it's very nice. And you just pop it on. Now, some of these might have been like $29.99. I can't remember all the prices. Now, these are the 3D wooden details. And again, look at the detail inside the wings of this dragonfly. So you can tell it's very intricate. And I also ordered a couple of other things because I wanted y'all to be able to see some other items that they have. They have these 3D wooden carved decorations for your home that are lighted or unlighted. You can get them either way, and they have some that play music, so you can even go as far. And there are some that are huge. I mean, like really big. So it's definitely something interesting. Now, they also had other wood carvings that are not lit up, but I got because I just loved that it was handcrafted, wood carved, and this is the person, like the mama with its doggy. But you can set this up different ways, like where they're given like a little kiss or a hug, so you could have it like this, like a puzzle, or you could just have them separated. But this is a totally wood carved piece, and I want to say the set was $19.99. I want to say that's what the price was, and they'll just sit on your table. You can't see that it's sitting on my counter, but it does have the bottoms where they can set together, and like I said, it can be done as a unit, as a puzzle piece, or they can be done separately. Now they also had a family set where you'd have the woman and the man and the dog. So they had different wood pieces that you could get, and I just thought they were cute, and I wanted to show you that they do these other carvings so that you can get other choices too, as well as the 3D wood carvings. And the other thing that they had, which was in this little baggie here, were these wood carved earrings, and I was very interested in that. As y'all know, I do like to wear jewelry, so look at these. Aren't those pretty? And you can tell they're wood carved and they're not very heavy. So I think I'll try these on real quick so you can get the real effect of them. It's got kind of the gold tone on top there. And then we've got our earring backs on here. But I want to try this on so we can see how it hangs. So look at that. I think that's cool. So you've got a little bit of the gold with the natural tones with the wood. And I want to show this second one up to you really close. But I want you to see the detail in this 3D effect, even of this earring, of the carvings that they've done for the earrings. I just think they're just gorgeous. So you had to tell me, what do you think? What do you think of my choices? I know y'all have seen a lot of the TIVISY from different channels, from different creators, but I don't know if anybody else picked out other items. But I just thought that I would, so I could give y'all an idea of some other items that you could get from TIVISY. And I like these. These are very pretty, very classic. And they're done very well, I think. So, alright guys, that is my TIVISY. And I'm really impressed. Now, Betty was the person that contacted me. And Betty, I want to thank you for contacting me. I really do like the earrings. And you can go on their site and find out more. But we had this puppy and its mama wood carving that I got. As a recap, we got these lovely earrings, and we got this dragonfly that lights up, and it's got lots of detail on there. And I hope I'm not blinding you too much, but I want you to see the detail of this and how pretty that would be in your home. And then, of course, we had the Nativity set for Christmas. And I don't have that one plugged in anymore, but you know it lights up and it looks very pretty. And again, these are all high park and they're environmentally friendly, and they're using, I guess, reclaimed wood to carve their creations and to make these beautiful designs. So now, again, if you're interested in any of these decorations for your home, the jewelry and or the wood carvings that you might want to just sit around, if you like puppy dogs, they may have stuff for cats too. I can't remember, but I do know, like they said in the beginning, they have a lot of wild animal themes. So you're going to find all kinds of wood carvings. I didn't get a wild animal, but I know they had bears and eagles. Oh, just all kinds of things. Flags. They just have hundreds. You have to go on there and check. But again, thank you, Betty, for gifting these. If I didn't mention that, these were gifted to me by Betty from TIVISY to unbox and to show to you all. And that is all I have for TIVISY. And be sure and check my descriptions for the link and my discount code that you can use. If you've seen it and liked it and got it from my link, I would appreciate you letting me know. I would like to give you a special thank you. I do get maybe a small little commission. I'm not even real sure. But one thing I do know for sure, you're going to save 15%. And that is the main thing, whether I get anything or not. Also check my descriptions for any recent giveaways and our collaborations. I have several going on. I'll have a couple of little links pop up there if you want to go over and check them out. But as for today in TIVISY, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.